Right here next to me is a PC with 6 gigabytes of VRAM. Oh, wait. Let's get started. With the new 50 series GPUs launching, with all these crazy specs like DLSS 4 and AI FPS, ray tracing and AI, RTX and AI PCs, and a whopping 32 gigabytes of VRAM, it made me think, is all this even worth it or necessary to have an enjoyable gaming experience? When I got my 3080 back in 2021 with 10 gigabytes of VRAM, I thought, I won't have to upgrade for another 4 or 5 years. Well, it's been 4 or 5 years. Does this mean I need to upgrade? Do I need to spend over $5,000 to a reseller just to get by? Do I need to sell one of my organs just to be able to game? The answer is more surprising than you think. And today I'm going to compare my 10 gigabytes of VRAM in my system to this 6 gigabytes of VRAM in this system I'm selling. Now I know what you're thinking.
Oh, JP, the 3080 is much better. But JP, 6 gigabytes of VRAM is enough for gaming. Oh, JP, 10 gigabytes is gonna dog like 6 gigabytes of VRAM. Oh, JP, your long luscious locks are so glorious. How long you been growing them for? I want to be just like you. How do I get my money up and now my funny up, JP?
I'm gonna answer some of those questions in this video, so let's lock in so we can get your knowledge and your dough up. Well, bro, I want you to take all these results with a grain of salt because the processor I have in my build is an i9-14900K, and obviously that's a much stronger processor than a Ryzen 5 2600X, but we'll still be able to compare the FPS from the GPUs. For the test, I'll be playing the following games: Fortnite, Apex, Call of Duty, Marvel Rivals, and Rust. This will give you a general idea of performance among some of the popular games played today. I'll be testing them mainly on low to medium settings because most sensible gamers don't go above low to medium. So let's get into it. While I overlay the footage of the gameplay, I wanted to let you know that I have a Discord you can join where you can talk to me directly and we can chat about computer parts or just chill. And I know I didn't mention it earlier in this video, but the GPU I'm using is a 1060. It's this white GPU from Asus, but no more yapping, just results. Let's go. Alright, to conclude this experiment, I wanted to say that 6 gigabytes of VRAM works. You have to realize that it's not a race, it's a marathon. You just want to buy what you can afford at the time, and there's always an upgrade path. So don't stress yourself about the latest 5090 or even a 3080 if you can't afford it. Just work with what you got until you can. It's that simple. If you can't do that, you know what they say. GG, skill issue.